Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putra Alif Daniel bin Muhammad Zulkarnain and my matrix number is M380110 from class 2A. So in this video, I would like to present to you all into a topic that we call a good agriculture practice in a rubber plantation for subject AGR 182, and I complete this assignment that have been assigned by Sir Zafri. Now let's go to the content of my presentation. Okay, the content is the fertilizer programming, weed control, and also disease control. These three types of content that will that is actually a good practice whenever we a good practices in rubber plantation. So we will go through one by one. So first of all, we will go to the fertilizer program. Okay, first of all, why do we need to fertilize the rubber plant? Because it will increase the soil fertility, and so that the plant, the rubber, will remain healthy and also produce a good production. Other than that, there are some options. Why do we need to fertilize the rubber plantation? Because of there are some issue whenever the rubber tree was not growing healthy. There have been some kind of sickness symptoms um, such as pests also can, and also some disease that have been attacked the rubber plantation. So we will go one by one in this topic. So in the next slide, we can see this is the plant characteristic whenever we need to fertilize the plant. So first of all, the sharp growth rubber tree, and also we can see whenever the rubber tree produce a pale color of leaf, so, and also a small size of rubber tree. Because of, we must to know, we can consider the rubber tree is growing late whenever in the 6 years of the rubber plantation, and if the rubber is still small, so that have been considered as a small size of rubber tree, and they need to be fertilized as fast as possible. So there are some recommendations for the fertilizing method. So I will show to you all at the next video. Alright, so next we will talk about disease control management in rubber plantation. So what do we can see here? There are some common diseases that have been attacked rubber and defect the production of the rubber tree. So the example of the disease is the white root disease and also pink and fusarium disease. On the next video, we will see how do what is the method whenever we must to whenever we want to clear up this disease. All right, other than that, the last topic is the weed control. So we do know all the weed is under unwanted plant that have been affected the production and the nutrient that must to be absorbed by the rubber tree but already absorbed by the weed. So we must need to control the weed that have been grow nearby the rubber tree plantation. So at here we can see there are some common weed in rubber plantation, which is we can see that there are Borea species, Mycenia miranta, Paspalum species, Chromolena odorata, and also Imperata cindrilia, Digitria species, Mimosa pudica, Axnopus composus, and also Cynodon deticlon. So this is some of the weed that have been growing up in the rubber plantation that are usually being seen. So we have some methods to control the weed. So we have, first of all, we have the machinery, using the machinery method, and also we have the manual method. Besides that, we also using the biological weeding, which is we have been using cow for the agent, because of we know the cattle are grazing some wheat. There are folder tending cattle in the plantation. It's a great way to control weeds and other benefits, reducing labor, ensure the availability of animal protein, and provide manure. So we go back to the previous slide about the machinery and the manual. We can see the manual weeding. We can weeding it manually provide the advantages for the farm. Can choose pens that are not cut because of economic values such as cinnamon, rubber tillers, fruit plants, or herbs. We can also use as a water or use to compost. Method that we can do is slashing, hoeing, and also hand pulling. So for the machinery weeding, we can see weeding using a lawnmower provides several advantages. For example, lower labor costs. Lower labor costs can be owned and shared within the groups. It is very environmentally friendly and does not affect soil fertility. So I think that's all from me. Thank you and assalamualaikum. Bye bye.